Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video, I've come up to show you making of this stunning stonework leaf designing on the necklines, which you can try using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with the markings. We need to give the leaf marking like this. This is the latest trending designing pattern, which you can try on the boat necklines, or else you can also try on normal necklines also. The heavy the design looks, it really gives elegant rich look. This was the boutique designer pattern, which is really expensive, but I'm gonna show you using the simple technique which we can try these designs easily at home. Now I'll be applying the glue on the marked leaf like this, and on that I had already measured the stone lace. Accordingly, I'd be sticking on the glue. This is how we have to firstly highlight the borders with the stonework. These stonework will really gives rich look. Not only the stone lace, you can also try this with the pearl work or any types of stone laces which is matching to your garment. Now that it's completely dried, I'd be using gold Zardozi string of very small size. This is to fill in the leaves, creating the line pattern. This also had measured accordingly, and now I'd be giving the stitch. For that stitch, I'd be using cotton silk thread and a 9 number hemming needle. We need to give 6 to 7 Zardozi strings joining on both the sides. The heavy the design looks, it will really gives the grand look which I said earlier, but you can also try the single leaf like this, like the designer booty, for overall designing on blouses, or else on the plain sarees also you can try it. Like this, I'd be inserting in the needle and giving the stitch for the joining of this Zardozi. This is really so simple design. Blindly you can give the stitch, turning your plain blouses to designer blouses. An idea is very important so that we can try this on any types of garments designing. The materials which I'm gonna use for this designing is stone lace and the Zardozi, which you can get in ladies corners or tailoring material shops. Also, the links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. Kindly check it. And now I'd be giving an invisible stitches on this stone lace also, so that even frequent washes it will not come out. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches on the stone lace. And this is how the stunning stonework leaf designing has to be done. Once completed, the designer neckline would look like this. This was designed for the bridal collection. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also, do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.